Hello, I hope you're doing fine. This is another part for the HollowKnight Amigurumi tutorial. It is not a tutorial per se, it will be a video where I'll be telling you how to do the legs and the body. The legs and the body are based on a tutorial from Shiharusu Amigurumi, so I will leave you the link in the description below, or maybe over here or at the end of the video. It's the same base that we used for the previous tutorial, Nezuko Amigurumi. So without taking more of your time, let's get started. Okay, so the legs and the body will be in black yarn, and as I said before, we're gonna be seeing the tutorial in Shiharusu Amigurumi channel. I will leave the description below. And for the arms are a little bit different because they're more pointy, so I will be uploading a video later on about the arms. Also, you can see like in this the tutorial that we did previously of Nezuko, that you can see here in the pictures, we did the same body, legs and arms, but we're gonna not do the arms the same, so I will upload the tutorial. Maybe I will upload the sword nest, so the cape after that one, and maybe then the arms. So okay, so that's it. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I will be uploading the next part of the tutorial pretty soon. I will be leaving the link around here. If you have any question about this tutorial, just leave it in the comments below. I will be trying to answer more of your comments. I'm working on that, so I apologize for not doing that recently. So take care, and you'll be to the next one, and thank you for watching. Ciao.